Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills. What are soft skills? There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They're all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day. Friends, Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic is cultural sensitivity. Bridge the cultural differences to develop cultural sensitivity. Relocation training for knowing cultural differences between countries. Perceptions are conditions by people's cultures. Chairman for TVS Motors, Madras, went to Japan for collaboration with Suzuki Motors. Lot of deliberations went on, but he did not get yes or no answer from the Japanese. He expressed his resentment at the lack of quick decision making on the part of the Japanese. See, cultural sensitivity, how it is. TVS Motors chairman went to Japan. They had discussions, but they did not give the decision so fast. So, he was not happy. They did not give the decision so fast. So, that is cultural insensitivity. Message: man is manifestation of God. Hence, all of us do the godly jobs and behave like God. This is the only way to success at any age, I believe. This message I have already given in another lecture. Japanese were ready to collaborate with the TVS Motors, but their culture doesn't allow quick confirmations. Okay? Luckily, the interpreter who had the cultural knowledge of both countries could explain the situation to both parties and averted a possible breakdown in collaboration. Who was there? The interpreter. The interpreter who knows Indian culture, Japanese culture, he averted the catastrophe problem to crop up. This clearly illustrates how cultural diversity affects decision making when it comes to cross-boundary relationship. Globalization has broken geographical boundaries for international trade and commerce. Internet and wireless communications have made the world smaller. All the team members from diverse backgrounds need to understand each other's cultures. It is the culture which influences how one thinks, interprets events, etc. The differences in perceptions can lead to misunderstandings. Training in cultural sensitivity will help supervisors, leaders for harmonious understanding. Team members in multinational companies come from different skill sets. Soft skills address interpersonal and behavioral aspects. In cross-cultural environment like IT sector in Bangalore, there is always a risk of imposing the American corporate culture. Example, General Electric demands outspokenness, while the same is considered disrespectful in the Indian scenario. In the global environment, expatriate managers have to understand their subordinates' culture and upbringing. What is expatriate? Who live outside their native countries. They are expatriates. Their leadership may work well and effective in their own country but not in a foreign land. Is different in Australia, China, UK, USA and India. Egyptian culture favored bureaucratic and autocratic leadership, which is considered unfavorable by the Western thought. Respecting cultural sensitivity will always yield positive results. Manager working with the Japanese firms needs to treat each team member in the same way, irrespective of their performance, which is against the dominant Western management culture that recommends differential treatment for high performers. What is ethical also differs from culture to culture. Indian and American cultures are different. Indians believe in long term while Americans in short term and deadline driven. Maintaining relationship and good harmony is more important for Indians, whereas Americans are more individualistic. Indians prefer structure hierarchy and deference to authority, whereas Americans believe in equality, access across hierarchy levels, and expressing their point of view without reservation. Such cultural differences can lead to strained relations. Difference between Indians and Americans. Number 1. Indians want clearly defined and structured authority levels. Number 2. Indians find it hard to disagree with senior colleagues. Number 3. Distinction between work and personal life is in American work style. Cultural understanding will help develop cultural sensitivity, which would reap high dividends. Message: life begins with our cry. Life ends with others' cry. So fill this gap. As much laugh as possible. Always be happy. Keep smiling. Before closing the episode, I give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.